Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Today, headed down to the junkyard. They're having some kind of community meeting where they want, I don't know, some feedback about their operations. I guess I was invited to that. Looked like somebody lost their Mustang this morning. Ouch! GT, that was a fast one. Driving down the road, some lady was tailgating me. So I put on my left turn signal, moved over to the left lane. She did the same. Ended up flipping me off, giving me the one finger of approval for my driving tactics. I wonder if these people will flip off the Pope. You think the Pope's ever been flipped off? All finished with the focus group at U Pool and Pay. They are seeking ways to better serve the customers. Some markets they have competition, not so much in Albuquerque. So they asked us ways that they can improve what they offer for us. My top three suggestions was: one, quit banging up all the panels on the cars, the doors and fenders with the forklifts. Two, provide water when we leave. And three, try to clean up a little bit in between the days that people are going there. Man, that place is usually a safety hazard with all the crap in between the aisles and stuff. We had about 6 people, 6 customers and 3 or 4 staff in the room. Hopefully they'll make it a little better for us all. We're out here on this, is it an 01 T5 V70. We're checking this strut that was installed while he was on the road. I think they're missing that washer that goes under there, and sure enough they are. Looks like the spring seat's good, so all I got to do is install that first nut that goes under there. Then this will be proper. But you could take this stuff apart if the car is resting on the ground. It's safe. The spring's not going to somehow squeeze through that little hole and cut your head off or something. So we're going to take that nut off, put the proper nut on there. I think it'll fit over this strut, then put this stuff back on top of it so that it'll have its proper fluctuation. This won't be down against the seat, causing it not to function properly. I took this nut off of that older car, off of that other strut assembly I had that Buster Brown was supposed to buy. So that needs to be on there. I'm going to tighten that down, and then I'm going to get the nut and washer and put on top of that. Here, rode around the corner from looking at somebody's car, and a 122 David Bellow Special. $8.50 for somebody. Lady was told she needed a tune-up. She got spark plugs, pulled the fuel rail off, trying to do the tune-up, and couldn't get that back on right. So she has O-rings missing from injectors 1 and 2, and I don't know where they are. I don't know if they've gone down in the cylinder or what it is, but it's really noisy. Doesn't seem to be leaking any whatever that is. Doesn't seem to be leaking fuel, but she's got misfires on those 2 cylinders. So let me grab a flashlight, try to see if I can see down in these holes, see if that may be causing her problem. I don't know what it is, but she definitely got misfires 1 and 2. Wonder, I don't think she's losing compression because of that, but let me see if I can find some injector seals for her. If you feel that this information was useful, Please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.